Snoring means the airflow through your throat is partially blocked while you sleep, causing the tissues to vibrate and create noise. While common, frequent snoring may be your body's warning sign of deeper health risks. So here are 5 medical conditions that snoring might be trying to warn you about. Watch until the end. You may need this more than you think. And don't forget to follow me and share this with someone you care about. The first is obstructive sleep apnea. Loud snoring with gasping or choking can signal blocked airways during sleep. The second is high blood pressure. Interrupted sleep increases stress on your cardiovascular system. The third is heart disease. Chronic snoring has been linked to irregular heart rhythms and heart failure risk. The fourth is stroke. Snoring may reduce oxygen flow to the brain, increasing your long-term stroke risk. And the fifth is type 2 diabetes. Poor sleep quality disrupts insulin balance and raises blood sugar over time. In my next video, I'll share how to reduce snoring and protect your long-term health. Comment yes if you're interested and follow me for more vital health tips.